Hi, that was my version of Funk 49 by the James Gang, Joe Walsh. And that was as close as I could get with the 3 strings. I'm tuned to G, G, D, G, open G. And I'll just take you through what I did there. First note is a 7 on the first string, and I'm bending that up. And then I was using my first finger fret tapping on the 10th fret. Like that. If you don't want to do that, you can do it here. And then you have to immediately move your hand here. But I sort of thought the fret tapping thing was kind of cool. And then there's a series of chicken picking. So he sort of pre-bends it, and I didn't bother to count how many times he does it. I just sort of do it whatever I feel like. Whoops, that was too high. And then he does a pull-off, 7-5-0, and then 7-5-0 on the middle string. Really quick. And if all the notes don't come out, I wouldn't worry about it. There we go, there's the first lick. 5-5 with your first finger, and on the first string, hammer to 6. Then 7-7 with your third finger, and then 5-5 hammered on the 6 again. Okay, then we go up to 7 and 9. Like that. And then we hit the 7-7 again, 5-5, hammer 6. Hammer 6 on the first string. That's basically the lick for the song. Later on in the song he varies it a little bit, but for our purposes today I'm just going to stick with that basic lick. And in an attempt to make it sound a little more like the song, I'm doing that strumming thing that seems to be there. At least when I'm playing it by myself, that sounds like the way to do it. So I'm just steady up and down, no tricks to it at all. Just like that. And then the next riff is on the middle string, 7-5, and then 9-7-5, and then open, and then 2, and that's a chord. So you hit the 2, and then down, up, and then the chord. I guess that's a hammer on. It's supposed to be funky. Oh yeah, I think the second time it does it, he just does the strumming thing. Then we move up 2 frets, do the same thing. And then the turnaround chord is E. It's sort of like the Jimi Hendrix chord, but as close as we could get here. So we got 9, 12, 12. So I'll do that last bit for you. Then you're right back into it. Oh, I'm not sure if I mentioned that. When you're doing that lick, now you can just mute if you wish. But if you can get down here to the 2nd fret on a low string, that note is in there. That's an A. like that. If you can do that, that's great. If you can't, just... Anyway, it's a lot of fun to mess around with. Have a great day. Bye.